Hello all, I know I am looking hit, but we are about to get ourselves together with this wig install, okay? First rule of business is to make sure that our hair underneath the wigs is always growing and flourishing. So ignore me dropping this oil, y'all. It was a rough day. But we want to make sure our hair is flourishing underneath these wigs. So I always go in with some Wild Growth along with this Olive Oil Miracle moisturizing spray. These two together are a perfect combo. And then of course we go in with our Shine and Jam to lay down our edges, so those will stay intact as well.
Joshua, you cannot just walk in here while I come up with.
So your girl saw this new Wig Cap Method on Instagram and I knew I had to try it for myself. Basically, we're just going to put this wig cap all the way onto our face down to our nose, cut out our eyes so that we can see, and then our ears as usual. And this allows for the ultimate meltdown, y'all. I'm so mad I didn't think of this myself or start doing this earlier, because it just watch, y'all, just watch. I can't even explain. Just watch. Also, other than the fact that I'm over here looking like Voldemort, the only other downside is when you're blow drying with this thing on top of your nose, it was so hard for me to breathe. I don't know if it was just me, but man, I was like, oof, it's getting hot in here. I don't know if I made this clear earlier, but other than the Wig Cap Meltdown, everything else is exactly the same. Once you do your meltdown, you can go along with your regular wig install techniques or routine, whatever you want to do. But I just wanted to focus mainly on this new meltdown technique that gives you the ultimate fake scalp-like type look, if that makes sense. So I was being extra and tried to do something different. Who knows why, but I decided to go in with powder instead of foundation for my wig cap, and it was not working at all. I was so mad. So I ended up going to get my foundation and mixing it up on a flat surface and using that to temp my lace. For this installation, I am again going to use the Ghost Bond glue. Y'all, this is the holy grail. I'm so mad I hopped onto this wave late, but I love the hold that this glue gives. It's even waterproof. Like, I got in the shower and I didn't like douse my head into the water, but my lace got wet, didn't move. I went to sleep, I was sweating a bunch, didn't move. I worked out, I went to work. Y'all, I did everything and then some, and this wig did not budge. So if you have not already, join the Ghost Bond gang. It's honestly the best. Okay guys, so that extra hair was for what? Anyways, so I straightened my hair off camera because now we're gonna do my favorite part, which are the edges. So my glue, I said 10 minutes, but this has been burning for a minute, like maybe 30 minutes. It didn't take long to straighten my hair. I was surprised. If I could get this scarf off, that'd be nice. A lot of people have been asking me how I do my edges, so I'm just gonna do them on camera for this video. Obviously, it looks a little questionable right now because I didn't tint my lace with the foundation, but I think this meltdown was good, guys. Look at this. So I did notice that at the top here, the hair is like gone, like there's little to no hair right there, which is gonna be a problem because I really wanted to do a middle part, but I think I'm gonna be able to fix it. I'm just going to, I really hate when people do their edges like right here, like that one edge. I never can make it work for myself. So whenever I see it on other people, I just don't understand how they got it to work. And sometimes it looks good, but just on me, it never works out right. So we're gonna try that right now, but I don't know. So I actually just purchased this Andis ceramic pressing comb, and I got it from Walmart. It was like $20. I'm hoping it works really good. It should, because I have an Andis blow dryer and my Andis blow dryer is amazing. But the only reason I went like so inexpensive with the pressing comb is because I'm only gonna use this for my wigs because I don't straighten or like press my natural hair. So this is gonna be perfect for my wig. So we're gonna try this out for the first time together. The box is messed up because, I don't know, they must have been throwing it around in the back. But this is how it looks. It shows you all the temperature. It heats up to 450, fast 30-second heat up, swivel cord for tangle-free styling, the whole 9 yards, okay? $20, y'all. Don't miss out. I guess you turn it on with this little button here. All right, we're gonna turn it all the way up to 20 because I want the highest setting. So this is somewhat hot. Y'all, I'm loving the way this came out. The lace is invisible. The hair looks like it's coming right out of my scalp. This just looks like it's my hair all together, and I'm loving it. We love to see it. Yes. I'm actually so happy you guys requested for me to do my edges for this particular install because it's never been my style, but doing them on camera for this made me realize what I've been missing out on, guys. This made my wig pop in so many ways, but the best way I can explain to you guys the way that I do my edges is I use Got To Be Glue gel and 3 instruments, which include a hard tooth toothbrush, a rat tail comb, and an instrument that I received from Alley Pearl. I just do a swooping motion with each of those instruments until I get the shape that I want, and then go over that with some Got To Be Glue free spray, put my scarf on, and call it a day. That's literally it, guys. It's so easy. It's time for one of my favorite parts. So when I was thinking about this look, I thought I wanted to do something like crimps, but I didn't feel like waiting on a crimper, so I feel like waves are the next best thing. So we are going to be wanding the entire head today in some really nice, bouncy, tight yet loose wand curls. So I'm gonna go looser in the back so I can still have my length, but tighter towards the front. Just wait, y'all, it's gonna be so cute. And if you see me looking down, I'm looking at myself. I have a mirror down here, but Okay, so I'm back. I got a little carried away off camera and I did a bunch. Obviously, I did my makeup. Not gonna lie, my makeup looks terrible. I did it in like 20 minutes. If you see an error with my makeup, let's just not even judge. Let's just act like we don't see it. Let's just keep moving, okay? Basically, off camera, I finished wanding my hair. I let the curls sit for about 20 minutes just so that they could really sink and sit in there. And then I always turn my head over and then finger the curls out, or you can go through with a paddle brush, whatever is best for you. And this was the final look. I keep looking down because I'm looking at myself in the mirror because this is so cute. I haven't taken off the scarf yet, so I don't know how my edges held up or how it looks with edges. So your girl is scared, but I'm gonna take off my scarf in front of you guys so you guys can see how it turned out as well. Ooh, who is this? Okay, hold up. You can definitely see where I stopped doing my makeup. Hold up. So I'm just gonna rub a brush around here and hope for the best. So now that my edges are all laid on all sides, I'm going to go in with some mousse on top. This mousse is from Tresemme. I don't know what kind it is. I honestly just got the first mousse that I saw. But I'm just gonna put that on top like this. Ugh, look at that part. Y'all, I'm sorry. I gotta say it. I did that. I did it. There's no way I didn't do it. Do y'all see this?
Up a little bit.
Y'all, this looks so good. I'm so happy. So last but not least, we are going to go on top with some makeup. I have some foundation from earlier today left over, and I'm just going to dip that into an angled brush because that is the easiest brush to use when doing this, and line my scalp with it just to bring out that part just a little bit more. So now that we have our foundation on our parts and we have concealed all of the lace, this is the final look. I'm loving it, guys. The meltdown is amazing. The edges are amazing. I don't even really like doing edges with wigs, but this was honestly like, this changed the game for me. I think edges are my thing now. It just looks so nice, like, ooh. I'm just gonna get a little closer so you guys can see. And again, I did not cut this hair to make my edges. That is it. I will have all the details for the wig that I'm wearing right now down in the description box below. I have done a video with this wig previously, but I did want to try it again with a new style, and I think we killed it. It's a totally different look than what it was before. If you guys want to go ahead and check that video out, you can go ahead and do so. I'll have it linked down below in the description box as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please let me know what you guys want to see in the future. And until then, see you later. Bye.